wasn't for you. But if things come to you, then God has sent that to you. You know, that's just how it is. That's just how it's always gonna be. I know people will say that I'm arrogant and vain, but nah, it's not like that at all. It's just when you get a lot of rejection in your life, you understand that certain things are just not for you and certain things are for you. Buseki man. Hair brand. That question. She must tell me when she's around. That's none of your business, Shim. Thunder, fire, through the fire, through the land and through the Umdala for, you know, Facebook. I just want to say this. Learn to love people. You're gonna be miserable if you're always fighting with no reason. You're gonna be miserable. Take me. I'm giving you something, right? For those of you who say I don't give you nothing, I'm giving you something. Facebook. Learn to love people. It's gonna help you. And if you don't want to do, oh well, then you don't have to. But I gave you something for free. Gave you something for nothing. Lord, for me, once my mom says, come here, I already know. It's coming. You're gonna get smashed. I enjoy the Engineer Your Life podcast. So thank you. I appreciate it so much. You know, Lungelo is actually my brother because he's coming from George Campbell KZN and I'm coming from Grosvenor Girls. Like, that's my bro. That's a homie to me. Yeah, he had my back and he done an amazing job. Like, he just speaks like he's been doing it for years, can't he? Like, this is just in relation to stuff. Like, you guys read so deep into the stuff that I'm genuinely just saying. Like, I put a post up this morning because yesterday I actually slept really early. And then I woke up early hours of the morning because I slept at 9 o'clock, which I usually sleep at 1 o'clock in the morning. I slept at 9 o'clock and then I woke up early hours of the morning. And it was 2 o'clock and I was like, you know, I was thinking of my life, how it is now, this April, in comparison as to how it was last year, April. And I'm like, yo, it changed. It just changed like that. So when God says he can do stuff in a few days, he really does it. And I was standing in awe of God. I was sitting down, I was thinking, and then I eventually went back to sleep, right? And then I woke up in the morning and I'm like, there's so many people that I have to thank. Like, I have my big mummies that do a lot of things for me, and sisters, and just everybody that, yeah, they fight for me. But anyway, that's a conversation for another day. So I put up something on Twitter that really spoke to my heart. And in the end of it, I said, I want peace, love, and joy. Some people were thinking I'm not okay and I'm not at peace. I am genuinely, everything I say, I mean that thing. Nothing further, nothing beyond that thing that I'm saying. I mean that thing. There's no reading into anything. Are you going to the homecoming? No, I'm not. Rest. Daniela Furi. Rest. I didn't get that. Hour. At this point, they are annoying, Shame. Who's annoying, Madua? She said no. Yeah, God is amazing. God is amazing. Can you all stop? Look, I'm even irritated. This life is about her. No, you can ask questions, but if you get hurt by the answers, yeah, Olisa, guys. That's all I'm saying. The question is this: do you still love Guluva? I mean, love don't just die, you know. Especially my love for people that doesn't die. Even you can do me wrong, I'll still love you. Chepiso Lolo Bore. What do you wish for this year, Ashley? Peace, love, joy, happiness, growth, success, honesty, and most of all, wisdom. Because Solomon asked for wisdom from God, and he was the most powerful man that ever was. So wisdom. Yeah. So that's what I want for this year. What kind of stupid question is this? Do you still love